hi guys. Many people asking me bakit ako nawala sa Twitter, bakit ako nawala sa Patreon accounts. So, nag-deactivate mo na ng accounts ko which is for my peace. Because many people asking me that we're using Xavier for my contents on X. Like, we're not using each other's on X. It's just we're doing, expressing our opinions, we're doing some band together. So, it's nothing less. It doesn't meaning. Yes, we are happy to ship us in love triangle that we called. But, however, I should say is that we're just seeing each other as friend, no more than. And for many people asking me, I am happy and content in my new partner now. So I'm okay with it. So let's get back on what is my content here today. So I'm going to do your requests of brought up some random things like many things that can be brought up challenge or can be rate challenge. So let's get in. So ano sa akin nakikita dito ng comments na ating followers on
Feel
Patreon.
daw.
Sabi niya.
Ayan ang ref natin guys.
10 challenge.
Yan lang ang
using
laman
hats.
niya. Hindi ko na nakagrocery.
So, tatry na natin yung mga hats na nakikita natin sa likod or mga cups. So, let's get rate and reviews on it. Tara, samahan. In the first one, we have this brown cast of the logos itself. So, LA. So, based on it, I can do these things. It's hard and the quality of it is good. So, I will rate this is 8 out of 10 because you have this panel of it and maybe this is classic or A-class hat or cups. So this is the logo itself. It's kind of cute, guys. So second one is from this New York USA cups. It looks something, but I'm not going to wear this, guys. I'm not going to wear this hat. It's not for me, guys, but it's for me for those fashionista because I'm not that fashionista, guys. So USA things that, guys. So guys, maybe from USA. So I will rate it. Magre-rate pa pala tayo. So maybe this is 6 out of 10 because it's not for me. So let's end. We have this color light brown, I think, or correct me if I'm wrong, guys. So Los Angeles brand since 2013 from the logo itself. Okay, from the logo itself. The quality is not that good, but it's A-class hat. So I will rate this is 7 out of 10. Maybe it looks cute for those skinny guys. So that's why we have this NY this hat. I'm not good at wearing hats, so don't want to wear this. But for you guys who requested me or request this, I'm going to do it for you, just for on my members. So it's 6 out of 10 from the quality and stuff, etc. So the last one is we have this. I don't know what meanings of this, but this we can commonly use or see these logos, and it's very hard. So the quality is good. The quality of good. The quality of good. The quality of good. So I like this. Ito na guys, yung mga nirank natin, mga reviews natin. So kind of same logo lang din siya. So marami pang iba sa bodega, but hindi ko na nilabas. Ito lang yung mga available dito. Maybe ipupunta ko na din sa bodega because I don't tend to wear hats that much or caps. So, if may mga gusto dito, comment down below na lang or sa TikTok shop ko. I can, okay, I'll sell it. So, this is we rate this. So, we're done and we're done. Just like relationships, we're done. If nanonood ka man, we're done. So, ito na nga. For me, the winner of the hat or the cups is this one. Because matibay siya at maganda siya. It's cutesy and simple but effective this way. It is cool chic. At the same time, I like it. So, 8 out of 10. This hat is for me, and I will wear this, and I will keep this entire my life and or my existence here in the world or the universe rather. So, next naman tayo sa mga random things or mga random, mga request nyo na ating gagawin ngayon. Pero bago muna tayo pumunta dun sa request nyo is I just wanna say thank you to one of my another fans from Patreon or my ex for giving me this very cute flowers that I received a week ago. I just wanna spread my gratitudes for you. Even though na hindi ko nasising yung mga DMs mo sa Instagrams. Sa Instagrams ko, which is Timothy the State. When, I just wanna thank you and express my gratitude from this. This is my fourth time that you give me this time. Hindi naman kita personally kilala, but I'm very grateful for you for giving me these subs. Even though hindi ka mag-give ng sub, just manood ka lang sa contents ko. I'm very happy. If you're happy too, guys, I'm happy if nanonood kayo, but I'm okay with it. So, dumako na tayo sa ating, wag na tayo patumpik-tumpik pa, is dumako tayo sa ating mga i-rate, which is the shoes naman daw, guys. The shoes from Your Grace. So, ito yung mga lumako nang hindi nagagamit or nakatambak na. So, ilalabas na natin siya at papakita natin siya. Pero bago muna tayo natin pakita, ayusin muna natin itong mga hats over the back. Kasi I'm currently vlogging in my second room, which is the double deck. So, this is my second room or a quiet place for me. Because yung first room is my mga visitors dun. And naririnig nyo naman siguro sa kabilang room. So, I'm tend to do it and tend to vlogs because napilitan lang din ako mag-vlogs ngayong araw, and based on my schedule I'm not busy and prioritizing my mental health and my eagerness to this kind of content. Even though I have minimum followers here in this account, but I'm okay with it as long as I can express my ideas, opinions, and make people happy or make people laugh. So dumako na tayo sa ating challenge na maraming nag-comment is the shoes. So, ipapakita na natin yung mga shoes, iba-ibang shoes nating re-rate for today or re-review natin for today's video. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Welcome back, guys. So, andito na tayo. So, titingin muna tayo ng mga available shoes, guys. So, tara na. Let's get back to my shoes critic or shoes review. So, first up, we have this Converse. This is the real Converse, guys. Ito ang totoong brand ng Converse. And from All Stars. Totoong brand ng Converse. Hindi ko siya ginagamit. Gagamitin ko pa lang siya sa college. This is the real Converse size-wise. Size-wise. The quality-wise. Very nice. So, our rating is 9 out of 10. Matibay. Hindi katulad ng relasyon nyo, hindi matibay. So, yun nga. 8 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Based on the quality itself, how it moves. And this is not A-class. This is the real Converse shoes. So, dumako na tayo sa pangalawang, which is the A-class Converse shoes, is the white shoes of A-class Converse shoes. So, ganitong itsura ng A-class Converse shoes. And yung kanina is for pwede both, it can be with guys, it can be with girls. So, this is also can be with girls. So, this is the A-class Converse shoes. Nakikita nyo naman. A-class Converse shoes. Quality, 8 of 10. 8 of 10, definitely from the qualities. And, if I'm comfortable with it, maybe 8 of 10. I used this when I was junior. So, 8 out of 10. And buhay pa rin siya. Hindi parang katulad ng relationship nyo, walang kabuhay-buhay na. So, dumako naman tayo dito sa pang basketball or pang sport shoes. Lumang-luma na siya at di pa rin siya nalalabhan. Nakatambak lang siya aming bodega. Kasi ginamit ko lang to dati nung sports ko. Pero I don't like that much sports. So, yan guys. Medyo malaki din siya. So, it is a quality. I'm just using, the cam of Tecno phone right now for my vlogging. Yeah. So, lalapit natin para makita nyo. That is So, ba't tayo ganito yung lighting natin? Because I'm using this small amount of light because nagtitipid tayo sa kuryente. Joke lang. Hindi tayo nagtitipid ng kuryente. Mayroon naman tayong ilaw, but I'm doing some paranormal activities later. Ipopost ko yan sa aking new TikTok account. Just watch this. Or will you put here in my YouTube links. So, dumako na tayo sa small size o small size Converse, which is the white Converse for girls. 8 out of 10, diretso na. Quality wise, matibay, and esperto. Ang init pa rin guys because ganyan sabi ko sa room lang, walang aircon dito. Maybe electric fan lang, but tinanap ko electric fan for some reason. Maingay kasi siya for vlogging. So, buwis buhay tayo guys for this content. Just for my followers and my subscribers. I'm just doing this even though I don't have time to vlog. So correct me if I'm wrong, but I will just give this is 8 out of 10 because of the quality, matibay. At saka real siya. Real, not fake. So this is pang sport na naman siya. I don't know the brand, but pinkish, not for me. Ito, binilan ako nito, but hindi ko ginagamit. Siguro in another life gagamitin ko siya. Pero sayang lang yung pera, di ba? So, 8 out of 10. Diretso 8 out of 10. Sorry for interruption. Tinawag lang ako. May pinatulong lang about something. So, ito na yung shoes. From TikTok shop. Compare sa pinakitang shoes. The quality, no. And, we just rate this is. So, diba ko na tayo these shoes? Quality, size, no for me. It's a no for me. May binigyan sa TikTok shop to. Those guys. Ganito. Matibay naman siya pero sobrang hard siya. It's a no for me, but I will rate this 7 out of 10. Because it's kinda useful. And bargain ko na siya sa TikTok shop ko. Go to my TikTok shop. Please follow it right now. ASAP. So, yun lamang yung mga required na shoes or mga inano pa natin. So, wait a minute. Hintayin nyo lang guys. Baba lang sa gilid. Just wait. Also from TikTok shops is we have this. Alam naman natin may cheap price siya, but okay naman siya. So 6 out of 10. But I don't wanna use this. It's very trend to dati itong shoes na ganito. Binilan ako, I don't wanna use it. Okay. So yun naman. Story time naman tayo. Paano ko napanalunan tong awards na to from BGC by accidental. So, napanalunan ko po itong awards na to from BGC is for some reason, napanalunan ko siya because ito kasi yung kaibigan ko na taga BGCS. Inayaya ko sa vacation, baka gusto mo. Sabi ko na, ano bang ganun na yan? Sabi nila mag-travel lang kami. Pero, matindi ako, may speech pala. Hindi ko lang board speech siya, 2024. So, naka-Intel board speech 2024 session na lang. So, yun nga. I won this. Hindi to yung actually medal. Blue yung lace niya, pero nandun sa bodega, tinatamad ang kunin, tas ito yung fan natin. So, sabi nyo random things. So, papakita ko na random things. Very random talaga, di ba? So, dumako na tayo sa most random things is tawas. Just kidding. So, dito na nagtatapos ang ating vlogs and very random lang siya, very asaps lang siya. Kung ayaw mo na manood, edi wow, next ka. I don't need you to watch these vlogs. I just need to express my ideas and opinion, etc. So, watch my vlog is all about random things and very weirdest things. And that is me. Thus, I will describe myself. If you don't like me, then it's not. I don't care. I don't care about you, girl. It's your opinion, not my opinion. And it's your own perspective, not my own perspective. But just want to clear out things. Not all opinions are matters. So dito na tayo nagtatapos and salamat sa panonood. Don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel, which is the Team Beyond TV, and this is not TV, this is a channel. So subscribe to this channel and I promise you na magiging maganda na ating quality sa susunod nating mga vlog. Yun lamang po.